Hey, today we're going to talk about absorbency. The one question we get asked the most is how absorbent is an UNpaper towel compared to a traditional single-use paper towel. So today we're going to test that out, and we've got some water. I have a 1/4 cup or 2 ounces and 2 of the same size dishes. So we're going to be testing out traditional paper towel to a Marley's Monsters washable, reusable, absorbent UNpaper towel. So we're going to take our 2 ounces of water, or 1/4 cup, and we'll take the UNpaper towel and traditional paper towel. The UNpaper towel absorbed everything. You can see there's nothing in here. And it absorbed all that water. Whereas the traditional paper towel did not. Try wringing it out. It just rips apart. Oh, geez. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Take your UNpaper towel that you've already used. It's just as simple as wringing it out and going after that spill again. So are UNpaper towels absorbent? I would say that this test says yes, and they're washable, reusable, they're soft, absorbent, they're designed for long-term use, and you're gonna save money, eliminate waste, and save the planet.